Hi, I'm here again. Recorded another song, and this song I had a hard time doing it. At first, it was not aligned, so it sounds awful. I spent 3 hours just to fix it, but it won't do it, so I have to redo the whole thing. And now it's all the instruments is aligned, and there's some effects that I put in, and also I did the uh, the second voice. So hope you like it. Take it away.